Today was a day to be able for local businesses, government departments, entrepreneurs and startups to be able to share their innovation journey, talk about change, discuss the barriers when it comes to innovating, I guess, and break down some of the stigmas and challenges when it comes to launching a new product, doing something better and being different and standing out from the crowd. We saw Paul Telling and his team for the first time at MIA 2019. Paul and his team were able to creatively and intuitively and accurately capture the concepts and information in a creative, interesting and really unique way, and we thought what a fantastic addition to an event that talks about creativity, that talks about complex ideas, and be able to develop a story and a showcase that supports the content being delivered by our speakers. After a really big day with heavy content and loads of speakers, we wrapped up the day with the Paul Telling workshop, the How to Draw workshop. Personally, what drew me into that was Paul's analogy about if you go to a room of kids, they never hesitate to draw something. You go to a room of adults and they'll always hesitate to put pen to paper and draw something. So to be able to sit there and have this really high energy, fun way, and for me to be able to actually draw something that looked kind of like what I was thinking or wanted to say, was a really great way to be able to end the day. I'm Natalie Bell from AAP Events in Darwin. We've just had the Territory Business Innovation Showcase today. I would highly recommend Paul Telling and his team. He's been an absolute professional from start to finish with this. The concepts changed, what we needed changed, the timings changed, and Paul just took it all in his stride. He helped us with pre-event marketing, which is really important and a really different way to promote the event, which we were struggling to tell one story because there was just so much going on. So I would definitely recommend the Visual Storytellers for your next event. It's a unique, different and really memorable way to capture the concepts.